Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm seeing that it's been a week ago since I last posted my video, and I had to just up on back on here and keep being consistent, because consistency is key, and I don't want you guys to think I'm MIA. I'm still here, thanks be to God. But I've been experiencing some pain around my waist area. As to why that is, it was my bad, you know. But I'm just still trying to do normal day-to-day stuff, but pain not nice. Anyways, yeah guys, I'm still trying my best to still remain consistent, as I say. And yes, this is the same dress that I wore in the previous video. It's one of my favorite yard clothes to wear. So, and it is clean, and it's my dress, so okay. So by the times, you already know what I'll be doing. I wanted to do a sit down video while doing my makeup, but I'm really not in the mood to do a full face of makeup, because for one, I am not going anywhere, and what's the sense? So the only thing I think would be sensible in this case is just to do my eyebrows. It's been a while since I haven't done like a makeup video, whether just my eyebrows alone or foundation and so forth. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows while telling you guys my experience auditioning for the Jamaica Digicel Rising Stars in 2019. So I'm just gonna be doing my eyebrows while talking to you guys as to how my experience was entering Digicel Rising Stars. So if you guys aren't from Jamaica, Digicel Rising Stars is basically a talent show where you showcase whatever talent you have, whether you're singing, dancing, so forth, like a competition to see who would win a cash prize by the end of it if you make it into the top two or top three. So you know, you have to go through the different judges and the preliminary judges, and you reach the main judges and so forth. So I'm just going to talk about my experience and what it was like, and if I got through, well, if I probably got through, I would be here now. Anyways, yes, not straight for the topic. May I ramble on too much? Time to get this eyebrow started. Do I have anything else to add? I was going to just do pure baking videos on my channel, but we buy baking things, it take a lot of money. Butter there in Jamaica about $500. I have to say $500 for butter alone. And you know, say in almost everything you do with baking, you want butter. If not butter, you want, well, eggs not so bad, but the ingredients are very costly, guys. So when I can afford it, then I'll bake as much as I can. That's why you have to support the thing, you know, support the video by subscribing, get a girl to 1K, you know, like up the videos, share them, you know, just do the thing to support a girl so she can do a lot more baking videos. If that's what you love, you know, support the thing, man, you know. Alright, so yes, gonna start right about now. Let's get this show on the, you know it, road. We can't go on too extra come up my waist. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, because I normally look into a mirror and I don't have a mirror, and I'm not going to go where the mirror is right now, because the amount of walking me I do and the waist just a pain me for a hole. I can't go back for I can't bother for go back and forth for the mirror, you know. So I'm gonna try to do it as best as I can. So if you don't see me looking in the lens, please be mindful that I'm looking where I can see myself. So I'm sorry about that. So yes, guys, I should I have done the light bright, you know, the ring light? Should I have done it like this? So I entered the Digicel Rising Stars in 2019 around, was it June? April, June? Here to sum, I have to say. And my dad used to tell me a lot, like would motivate me and say, Sash, why don't you enter the Digicel Rising Stars? But being the introvert that I am, I was scared. I was very anxious. As you guys probably know from my testimony video, I battled with anxiety. It still pops up on me here and there, but it isn't as bad as it was in the past. So yeah, that's the main reason why I shied away from giving Digicel Rising Star a chance at the time. But my dad entered it a couple times, like probably 2 or 3 to 4 times. So he has experience as to what it takes and so forth. But every time he enters, he never got through. I don't know why, because he's very talented. Not to sound biased, but you guys already heard some of his songs, like the one that my outro song, Love Is In Your Soul. He's the one that sang that song. And my birthday video, Mama Africa I Love You So, he's the one that sang that one as well. And I think he's very good. Like, if you want to check out more of his music, his channel is Ras Remnant. I'll probably link it in the description box or in the comment section, you know, so you guys can check him out. So yeah, implore me to give it a try, and I finally gave in and said, you know what, I'm gonna put my fears aside and give this thing a go. Who knows, I could make it in. So we're gonna flash forward. Well, I don't think I practiced for like say two or 1 month. Oh man, it's hard to do this without a mirror, and look like I forgot to get the mirror. Okay guys, now get the mirror. So yeah guys, I went to get my highlighter mirror, the mirror that comes on the highlighter. So where was I didn't get a lot of time. I don't know what happened, why I didn't spend a lot of time to like practice. So it was kind of like a yes thing. I guess it's probably on my part procrastinating. I don't remember the full details, because if it's in 2019, it's a while, you know. But I didn't tell you guys what I'm using. You know, the usual things I use for my eyebrows. If you haven't checked those videos out, I'll probably put the place card above so you guys can see how I do the products that I use. That is, the only difference is this concealer is called Suede. That's the difference, you know. It's a bit darker than the fawn that I love. So yeah guys, the day I practiced 2 songs. I was gonna sing a gospel song by Tasha Cobbs. I don't remember which Tasha Cobbs song it was, but I remember what Ariana Grande song that I chose at the time, which was No Tears Left to Cry. That song. But I don't remember the Tasha Cobbs song that I was going to audition. Wait. Anyways, I practiced and the day came now, and we woke up pretty early, around 4 or 5 or 6, but it was early because when we arrived at was it Emancipation, what was it again, I forgot. I'll probably put it on the screen. But we went there, and when we arrived, about 4 persons were there because it started at 9. And yeah, it was pretty nerve-wracking. When 9 o'clock show up, like the place still not open up for going to go see the judges. You know, I probably 9:30 before going, and them say 9 o'clock. And they said 9 o'clock it will start, but we end up going, you know, Jamaica never on time, hardly on time. So anyways, no, we had to sit down in some chairs, almost like the chairs like the line, but you know, we are call it dog. That disturb my video, you know. Yeah.
Oh, my friend, no.
Not tell me, I tell you.
You're good.
Some people like, dear God, mommy, why you have to do me like that? Every time I do video, they say, if I come flap me sure, come tell me some things. They see you. Anyway, guys, where was I? So they got us some tickets. They search us, of course. So if you have if you have any weapons and so on, they will take it from you. You know, I didn't. They search your handbag, whatever bag you had, as just for safety precautions. And you know, once you're inside the place, like you can't go a second time. Like suppose you go through the judges and you didn't make it through, you can't go back to the gate. It's only a one-time thing. So anyways, it didn't take long before I went to the preliminary judges to showcase my song. And I went there to sing the gospel song, you know. Went there to sing the gospel song. End up go sing Ariana Grande's song No Tears Left to Cry. I was so nervous, but somehow I mustered the courage by the grace of God and performed beautifully, I would say. Wow. And the man that was the judge told me my voice was not strong enough. That's what the man told me. He told almost everybody in the line that their voice wasn't strong enough, because I was at the back of the line in my group, and they put us in different groups. Like there are probably 6 preliminary judges, and there's like 10 of us in each line for each preliminary judges. And when I went up there, you know, I was at the back of the line. There are others, some got through, some didn't, but most of them that didn't get through, that was the, you see how that confused me, I talk foolishness. Get up from my set, man, because you just disrupt people.
I'm not in your touches, but look, you're not the good chain them. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I'm not part of the video because she can't expose me. Yes, guys, so she finally got about her business. So yes, guys, almost everybody that didn't get through, and there was quite a lot of us that didn't get through. I heard beautiful voices, like persons that I believe were more talented in that category, in music, in singing, than me, and they didn't get through. I don't know what they were looking for, but I just tell him like, thank you for your time, and I walked off. And I was just saying in my mind, probably this is just not my calling, you know. Probably God is just like telling me like, this is not my thing. So I think that's where I kind of stopped doing music, because as you know, I used to sing 1 and 2 songs on this channel, and that's probably the main reason why I gave up, because I thought that probably I am not a very good singer as I thought, and that kind of lowered my confidence in music, you know. But I sang, like growing up, I used to join, like I was on the choir in primary school, in not in high school, on the choir at church, you know. It was my thing. People complimented me and my voice, you know. I don't know, y'all guys, like everything is for a reason, you know. Like at the time, I don't think I am like where I'm at now. I don't think I was there at the time, you know. God knows everything, and see that the virus could come in again. I don't hear nothing from the singers that won the competition, that here or the here, no, yeah, that here. I don't hear nothing from them, you know. I don't even remember who won. I don't think I watched it. Not to sound petty, but I didn't have any interest. Like that really just took a little toll on me to not really pursue music as much, you know. But everything is for a reason, as I said before. Like if you want to know how I sound, I have 2 videos where I'm doing where I sang some songs on here. So if you want to hear me how I sound, if you're new to this channel, go and check them out. I'll probably put the place card as well, you know. So yes, I think I covered most of what went on. Like I didn't get to see Anthony Miller and who was it, Conroy, and the other judge that was the judges for the competition that are very famous, you know. and I tried to go back a second time, but that didn't work. They noticed me because of my height. Oh my gosh, I tried to treat the system, but it didn't work anyways. But it was a good learning process, you know. It kind of helped me to like conquer my fears of like, you know, going out in a large crowd and performing. Although I did that in the choir, but it was like a larger audience, you know, and there were so many people auditioning, so it was a very good experience for a girl that battles with anxiety at the time, that it was so bad at the time, but some way I still managed to go out and do my thing. So yes guys, this is where the video has come to an end, just because I am running out of memory storage space, which is always my issue. I need to get a memory card that holds a lot of storage space so I can spend more time with you guys and dig down more into the stories that I'm telling, okay? Okay, so thank you for bearing with me, for joining, for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. You're a real one. And yeah, don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, because especially if you're seeing that you're coming to this channel more than once, why not just subscribe to keep in tune to what I'm doing, you know? And don't forget to give this video a like. Yeah, so until next time, bye guys.